In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a file in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to bring your work into Figma without any confusion. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so you're looking at your Figma home screen and workspace. This is where all your projects and files are listed, and it's also where you'll find the tools you need to bring new content in. Now, look toward the top of the page. You'll see an option labeled Import. It's easy to miss if you're in a hurry, so take a second to scan the top bar. When you've found it, click Import. This tells Figma you're ready to bring a file from your computer into your workspace. Your computer's file picker will open right away. From here, navigate to the folder where your file is saved. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct file. Figma supports a range of common formats, including Figma files, sketch files, images like PNG and JPG, SVGs, and PDFs. If you're importing a design file, choose the original format. If you're bringing in assets like icons or images, select those image or vector files. You can select a single file or choose multiple files at once if you want to bring in several items together. Once you've highlighted the file you want, confirm your choice in the file picker by clicking Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. Figma will begin processing the import immediately. You might see a brief loading indicator while the upload finishes, especially for larger files or slower connections. That's normal, just let it complete. When the import finishes, your file will appear in your workspace. If you imported a full design file, you'll see it as a new file you can open and edit. If you brought in assets, you'll see them ready to place and work with on a canvas. At this point, you can click into the newly imported file and start designing right away. If something doesn't appear as expected, double-check the file type and try the import again. Large files can take a little extra time, so patience is key. Also, make sure you're importing from the correct folder on your computer so you don't accidentally bring in the wrong version. That's all there is to it. Open the Figma website, click Import at the top, select your file, and let Figma do the rest. You're ready to keep building your project with everything in one place.